Have you noticed the frequency of Elon Musk's recent comments on artificial intelligence? He is not just talking about business, but about our future. Beyond his companies, Musk is painting a picture of a world undergoing a radical transformation. Let us explore his 5 boldest predictions. First, Musk believes artificial general intelligence, or AGI, is on the horizon. He suggests we could see it emerge as early as 2026. This timeline is aggressive, arriving much sooner than many experts once predicted. It signals a massive leap in machine capability. For you, this means the learning curve for complex tasks will collapse. Systems will master skills in days that currently take humans years. This shift will inevitably change the value of human expertise. Skills that once guaranteed job security may soon become far less relevant. Second, Musk predicts that AI will outperform humans in most white-collar roles. Knowledge work is about to face its biggest disruption yet. This does not mean your job will vanish tomorrow. Instead, the nature of your daily tasks will likely undergo a significant evolution. Expect to move away from repetitive data processing. Your role will shift towards supervising AI systems and making high-level strategic decisions. Third, Musk envisions a future where work becomes optional. He believes AI and robotics will eventually generate an abundance of value. In this scenario, the necessity of traditional labor for survival could diminish. It is a radical departure from our current economic reality. If this future arrives, the definition of work will change. It will transition from a means of survival to a pursuit of personal fulfillment. Imagine a world where your daily contributions are driven by creativity and purpose rather than necessity. It would be a historic shift. This transition represents one of the most profound changes in human history. It challenges how we view our place in society. Fourth, Musk offers a word of caution. He admits that this transition will not be easy for everyone to navigate. Entire industries may transform faster than the workforce can retrain. The speed of this change is a major point of concern. Those who adapt early will likely find new opportunities. Being proactive is key to thriving in this rapidly changing landscape. Conversely, those who wait may find it difficult to keep up. The gap between those who adapt and those who do not may widen. Fifth, Musk highlights that AI is now a global race. He views it as perhaps the most important technology ever developed. Nations are currently pouring massive resources into this field. They are investing heavily in computing power and energy infrastructure. Semiconductor technology has become the new frontier. Countries understand that leadership here is vital for their future economic strength. Your future opportunities may increasingly depend on this national competition. It is a geopolitical game with high stakes for everyone. Whether every one of these predictions comes to pass exactly as Musk expects is impossible to know for certain today. However, the trajectory of current technology is unmistakable. We are witnessing an acceleration that is truly unprecedented. Artificial intelligence is already changing how we work and learn. It is reshaping how we create and solve problems daily. The biggest risk is not that these specific predictions come true. The risk is ignoring the sheer speed of this ongoing change. Many people choose to look away or hope for the best. But waiting too long to prepare can leave you behind. Understanding these trends is the first step toward adaptation. Knowledge is your best tool for navigating the uncertainty ahead. The world is evolving at a pace that demands our attention. Staying informed is no longer optional in this new era. Keep watching these developments closely. By understanding the path ahead, you can better position yourself for the future.